Did you know flamingos are not born pink? Baby flamingos are actually gray or white. So how do they turn pink? It's because of what they eat, shrimp and algae. These foods contain natural pigments called carotenoids that slowly turn their feathers pink. So basically, flamingos color themselves with food. And here's something even cooler. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. Why? Because they are bright, colorful, and love standing together in big dramatic groups, just like a fancy fashion show. Gray at birth, pink by diet, and living in total flamboyance. Follow for more fun animal facts.